Aloha everyone, I'm McKenna Mazzulli at Toyota Hawaii's Training Center, where today they are holding the Master Technicians Skills Contest that brings together master technicians statewide to recognize the prestige of professional technicians.
Our goal is to bring from across the state all of our master technicians to showcase their knowledge, experience, and technical abilities.
What does the contest entail?
First, there's a written examination, and from that, the top 5 qualifiers move to the next step, which is the practical experience exam. And in there, we put bugs into various vehicles, and their job is to identify the problem for that. The winner wins over $4,000 in prizes and earns a trip to Japan.
The written exam is now over, and now the master technicians have the practical exam. The top 5 are here. A bug has been placed in the vehicle, and these technicians need to resolve it. I've got Ryan over here. All right, Ryan, break down what is happening for me.
So right now I'm verified the concern that the passenger front window doesn't roll down.
Where are you in this process?
I'm still checking the wiring.
All right, Royce over here is the first to finish the practical exam. Tell me what you found. What was the bug?
I found a short circuit to ground in the communication line between would be the computers for the driver's door and passenger's door to the body control.
So for our last scenario, the customer states that his brake pedal pulsates. He replaced the left front rotor himself last week.
Final round of the contest today, practical exam. It's the last one. Ryan's over here figuring out what this bug is. I'm gonna see what are you doing?
I'm gonna have to pull this rotor and check do some measurements, see if there's any run out, unequal parallelism. So I gotta disassemble the front brakes first and get that rotor off, just so I can start taking those measurements.
2019 winner is Royce Fujimoto. Congratulations. There you go.
You just won the Master Technicians competition. How are you feeling right now, Royce?
I don't know, it hasn't sunk in yet, I guess.
Tell me about your process. How did you prepare for something like this?
A little bit of studying and just kind of try to relax, I guess, and not get too nervous.
You know, for other technicians who maybe want to participate in something like this again, would you recommend the whole process to them?
Yeah, definitely. It's a lot of fun and challenging, and challenge yourself. So I recommend it.
An eventful day here at Toyota Hawaii's Training Center for the 2019 Master Technician Skill Competition. Until next time, aloha.